Now let's go to the battle over abortion in Florida. If you're having trouble keeping track of whether the 15-week abortion ban is law or not, you're not alone. After a series of legal maneuvers, today another development, and it won't be the last one. On Your Side's Kaylee Tracy is following every development in this court case. She's joining us from the newsroom. So Kaylee, let's talk about the latest change in this back and forth battle.
Well, Anthony, the plaintiffs, including Planned Parenthood, filed an emergency motion that would, again, put this controversial law on hold. So the ball is now in the judge's court, but his courtroom isn't the last stop for this case.
It creates great uncertainty.
Attorney Neil Henderson says while Florida's 15-week abortion ban is in limbo, it complicates healthcare decisions for women and providers. Keeping track of the law can feel like watching a game of ping pong. Here's how we got here. Thursday, Leon County Judge John Cooper ruled the 15-week restriction should be blocked because it violates the right to privacy, which is specifically guaranteed by Florida's Constitution. But Friday, the 15-week law took effect anyway because Cooper hadn't signed a written order. He signed the order Tuesday, blocking the law, but the state immediately appealed, putting the judge's ruling on hold and reinstating the 15-week ban on abortion. Plaintiffs responded, filing an emergency motion asking Judge Cooper to get rid of the hold. Even if the judge grants the plaintiff's request,
that order can be appealed. And if that order is appealed, the state can be reinstated or not. And especially for providers who have criminal liability, if they get the timing wrong, they could be criminally prosecuted.
Henderson, who's not affiliated with the case, says it's up to Judge Cooper to decide whether or not to get rid of the stay on his ruling. But the First District Court of Appeals in Tallahassee could reverse his decision. Henderson says he expects the case to be expedited, but says it could still take 30 to 60 days or more for it to play out. Coming up at 6, who determines whether or not the 15-week ban is enforced while this case is in limbo? In the newsroom, Kaylee Tracy, First Coast News, on your side.